Good day to drive, especially in this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT with white exterior, gray interior, seating for 6 with 4 doors. It has a 2.7-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Trailer Tow Package, Remote Keyless Entry, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.7-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar, all weather mats on the floor with the F-150 badge in, your electronic parking brake and light controls. Slide it into the vehicle to start it. Just put the keys in. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. You've got your gear shift dial with your drive modes to switch modes depending on the road and weather conditions. The center stack features a touch screen with your Sync 4 system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Above it, your auto start and stop, hazard light and traction control. Below, your volume and tuner and media controls. To the left, your 4x4 modes and trailer lock, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and your integrated trailer brake controller. Your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. A 12-volt outlet, USB charging ports, and a little bit of room for storage underneath them. 2 cup holders, console with storage below, and that can be folded up to become a third seat on the first row with 2 cup holders and storage underneath it. A 12-volt outlet, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 18-inch wheels, running boards, silver door handles, keyless entry pad, privacy glass at the back windows, capless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your box is 6.5 foot long. Your backup camera would be above the Ford badge in. Trailer tow hitch, pin connectors. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're done, just lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up, and when you're done, pull the tab and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, all weather mats on the floor, slim pockets behind the front seats, a 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders, hooks, dome light, and your rear window. Backup camera in the rear, 6.5 foot box, running boards, privacy glass at the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights and fog lights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.